Watch now as our rockets race here from afar, for now with our Robin we live on a star.
3, 2, 1. As you may know, last year, a company called Motoloot asked me to review a helmet cover in the form of Elmo from Sesame Street. In short, my review was that I absolutely loved it, and I still do to this day. Recently, Motoloot reached out to me again to see if I was interested in reviewing a bunch more, but this time as a sponsored video. Being that I was so impressed by the first one, I told them that of course I'd be happy to help. Like the Elmo cover from the year before, these were just as well made. The only complaint, if I had one, is that they do catch a lot of wind, especially when on a sport bike. So I wouldn't wear one on a long highway trip. Other than that, they are a blast to ride around town with. People just can't help but smile and wave at you. Actually, it's the first time that I haven't felt invisible when riding. Even cagers take notice, which means these covers may qualify as the weirdest safety equipment I have ever owned. If you're interested, you can find a huge selection on their website at motoloot.com. With all these covers around, it got me thinking, why not grab a bunch of friends and go for a group ride, wearing them all at the same time? 2020 was a complete dumpster fire, so this was my way of sharing a little joy to a city that really needed it. And I want to keep that feeling going. I'll be giving away one helmet cover each month for the next 6 months. To learn more, click the link in the description below. But before you do that, here's some footage from that group ride. And of course, please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Until then, I'll see you out there.
Let's go! It's time to go, 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 go! It's time to go, go, go! Let's go! It's time to go, go, go!